Today we are gathered here outside the University of Nairobi as student leaders from various universities, private and public, and also we are joined with former student leaders. So the main agenda of today's presser as student leaders is about the contentious issue of university degrees. So we've had cases during this previous nomination process by the IEBC whereby we have had candidates with questionable academic qualifications pass against the provisions of the law. So today we gather here as student leaders to address this issue and say that we require IEBC to do their due diligence as we are taxpayers and we have a right to get adequate information and have them doing their responsibility.
My name is Vivian Kabiru, a student leader at the University of Nairobi, and behold is our press statement as leaders. Within the past 1 week, Kenyans have been treated to an endless charade which eventually culminated into the clearance of Senator Johnson Sakaja to vie for the Nairobi County Gubernatorial seat, despite the glaring inconsistencies that emerged regarding the validity of his academic qualifications. Furthermore, Chapter 6 of the Constitution of Kenya roars on leadership and moral integrity, Article 73, that clearly indicates that public office is a public trust. Likewise, Article 10 of the Constitution is big on national values of the rule of law, good governance, transparency, integrity, among others. While we understand that contacting every institution to verify academic credentials of all candidates is an audacious task and one which is clearly beyond the remit of IEBC, the Commission owes Kenyans due diligence. Comrades, power!
Power! My name is Rachel Tabitha, and it's so unfortunate that we are here today because of a degree, because of someone who doesn't want to go through the process of attaining a degree legally. It's so unfortunate. Being a leader is being someone who is called upon to represent the people of the Republic of Kenya. You cannot be a leader when you don't want to be to lead by an example. We call upon Johnson Sakaja. Please, sir, come back to school. We have space for you. We have hostel where you can sleep. We have classes where you can study with us and get a degree. Comrades, power. Power. Comrades, wisdom.
Wisdom. The best gift a parent can give to his child is education. It's a sad state where we see our parents and our politicians struggling to prove their degree. What a shame, Mr. Sakaja. So I want to urge IEBC, kindly take this matter serious and then we'll see how it goes. And also, as comrades, we have said, if Sakaja cannot attain, we as comrades, we are capable. We have our degrees. Let him come back to class and allow us to lead. It is our time as youth to want to lead this country. And as Baba promises, in his 10-point agenda, Baba has said he wants to waste no single child. So Sakaja, Baba will not waste you in the next government. So stay calm. Baba will make sure you go back to school and finish your degree. Comrades, power. Power. Comrades, team him. Comrades, Achu. Thank you.